everyone, and welcome back. Welcome back to the shed, and welcome back to a rather wet and blustery northeast. So thank you very much for everyone who got involved and off the apply to be part of the giveaway. Fantastic response. Over 77 people actually put the comment in, I am in, on the film that I made last week about the Lux Seal Hex Peak Victor 4 Alpha. Loads of comments on there, loads of comments about people that have experience using the tents, and I am really looking forward to getting out there once obviously the restrictions are lifted. So thank you very much. As I said last week, here it is. Here's the tent. It's going to be in the giveaway. It's the Lanshan Outdoor Ultralight 1 to 2 person lightweight tent, which weighs 1.1 kilograms and is worth £130. Okay, and this could be going to a lucky winner. I've taken all the names down and I've loaded them onto the program, onto my computer, and all I have to do is go over to the computer now and press the button, and we will have one lucky winner that will be receiving this in the post as soon as I can get it posted. So let's get over to the computer and let's see who the lucky person is going to be. Okay then guys, so what I've done is I sourced this program off the internet. It's called the Wheel of Names. It's basically a big wheel, and on the right hand side here, all I've done is downloaded all the names from the people that have said I am in. Okay, they're all there, and basically this transfers them onto the wheel. Oh, let's just get this right, onto the wheel. And then all I have to do is press the button in the center and the wheel will spin, and then stop on a random name and obviously give us a winner. So let's do that now then, and good luck to everyone. And there you go, and there's the winner, one Geordie and his Border Terrier Adventures. So well done to you, mate. Like I've said, my email will be in the description below, so please send me your details and I will get this tent off to you as soon as possible. Well done to one Geordie and his Border Terrier Adventures, and commiserations to the rest of you. There will be other chances in the future to win bits of kit which I will be giving away, so don't be disheartened. So thank you very much, and congratulations to one Geordie and his Border Terrier Adventures. So guys, there it is. We've got a winner, one Geordie and his Border Terrier Adventurers. Fantastic. Obviously I don't know your name, mate, but like I said, just put your details in an email, send them to me, and you are the lucky recipient of the new tent. I don't know if it's big enough for a terrier. It might be, hopefully it is. So congratulations to you, and again, like I said, commiserations to the remainder of you. However, I've enjoyed doing this. Not just because I got people to subscribe to my channel, but it's good to involve people and give a piece of equipment away that I know I didn't need. And you know, it would have just sat in my shed not being used. So I'd rather give it away to someone that's going to use it and have, you know, fun with it. So well done that person. So thank you very much guys, all those people that have commented on the video and all the people that have subscribed. I really appreciate it. Okay, when I started this channel off, you know, it was just for a bit of fun, and it still is for a bit of fun, and I like to bring you along on my adventures with myself and Fudge, and just have a good time. And if it encourages other people to, one, get out into the countryside, do a bit of wild camping responsibly, and you know, make your own YouTube channels. I never in my wildest dreams thought that I would get 10 subscribers, let alone the 300 odd that I've got at the moment. 300 subscribers, fantastic. It's not the millions that you get, which some people do, but you know, it's fun to do, and I really appreciate it, and that's all down to you guys out there. So thank you very much. Look forward to the next video when I can get out, and also look forward to the next giveaway, because there will be one coming up very soon. So thank you very much, and stay safe and have a great time. Thank you from Glenn and Fudge, who sat down there. All the best, guys.